Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the tag to full, install the app, and have the device serial or QR code in hand. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data stream. Bluetooth and location must be enabled so the phone can discover the tracker. Tap Add Device in the app, then scan the QR or enter the serial. This pairs hardware to your account. Once paired, the app requests firmware updates. Accept them so the tracker will behave predictably and securely during regular use. Once paired, you configure how the tag behaves. Choose an update frequency that balances timeliness with battery life, faster for live tracking, slower for longer runtime. Name the device so you can identify it quickly, then set a home or work geofence to trigger alerts. Add emergency contacts and decide who can view location. Make sure to enable motion and low battery notifications. Finally, test a live track. Walk with the tracker and watch the map update to confirm accuracy and expected refresh rates. You wrap up by performing a final validation. Run a 10-minute live test, check the breadcrumb history, and confirm push alerts arrive. If the tag goes missing, use last seen coordinates, trigger the audible alarm, or enable crowd finding so other users can detect it. When problems occur, troubleshoot in order. Reboot the tracker, repair via the app, verify the SIM or mobile data is active, and install any pending firmware. If connectivity persists, reset to factory settings as a last resort and reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.